Don't underestimate the power of small things. Tiny hemp seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. These seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're full of goodness that can benefit your health in big ways. In this video, we'll explore the amazing world of hemp seeds. We'll cover their impressive nutritional profile and the many ways they can improve your well-being. Get ready to discover why hemp seeds deserve a spot in your pantry and on your plate. From boosting heart health to promoting radiant skin, hemp seeds offer a wide range of health benefits. Join me as we dive deep into the world of these incredible seeds. Let's unlock the power of hemp seeds together. Hemp seeds are nutritional overachievers. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. They're packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. From protein to fiber and healthy fats, hemp seeds have it all. Let's take a closer look at what makes their nutritional profile so impressive and why you should consider adding them to your diet. Protein powerhouse. Hemp seeds are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. This makes them an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Just 3 tablespoons provide about 10 grams of protein. That's a significant amount for such a small serving. Fiber-rich. Hemp seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health and regularity. Fiber helps keep our digestive system running smoothly. Healthy fats. Hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart, brain, and skin health. These fats are essential for maintaining overall well-being. They boast an ideal 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This balance is important for reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Vitamins and minerals. These tiny seeds are also a good source of important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, iron, and zinc. These nutrients play a vital role in various bodily functions. With such an impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder that hemp seeds are often hailed as a superfood. They can easily be incorporated into your meals, whether sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or added to baked goods. So why not give hemp seeds a try and experience their health benefits for yourself? A healthy heart is essential for overall well-being. Hemp seeds can play a delicious role in supporting your cardiovascular health. The abundance of omega-3 fatty acids in hemp seeds has been linked to improved heart health. Omega-3s can help lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and decrease the risk of blood clots. Additionally, the fiber content in hemp seeds helps regulate cholesterol levels, further contributing to a healthy heart. Incorporating hemp seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective step towards a healthier heart. A healthy gut is key to overall health and well-being. Hemp seeds can be your gut's best friend. The high fiber content in hemp seeds promotes digestive regularity. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy digestive tract. Moreover, hemp seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water and adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity. By supporting a healthy gut, hemp seeds contribute to your overall well-being. Unlocking radiant skin, the beauty benefits of hemp seeds. Healthy skin radiates from within. Hemp seeds offer beauty benefits that can help you achieve that natural glow. The omega-3 fatty acids in hemp seeds are essential for maintaining healthy skin. They help moisturize the skin from the inside out, reducing dryness and promoting a youthful appearance. Additionally, the vitamin E in hemp seeds is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging. Incorporating hemp seeds into your diet can nourish your skin from within, revealing a healthy and radiant glow. Hemp seeds in your kitchen. Easy and delicious ways to enjoy their goodness. Now that you know about the amazing benefits of hemp seeds, you're probably wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. The good news is that hemp seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to enjoy. You can sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a boost of nutrition and a satisfying crunch. Add them to smoothies for added protein and healthy fats. You can even use hemp seeds to make homemade granola bars or energy balls. The possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and explore different ways to add the goodness of hemp seeds to your meals and snacks. From breakfast to dinner, hemp seed recipes for every meal. Hemp seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal, offering a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Whether you're looking to start your day with a boost or add a nutritious twist to your dinner, hemp seeds can be your go-to ingredient. Here are a few recipe ideas to get you started. Let's begin with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Incorporating hemp seeds into your morning routine can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Layer yogurt, granola, berries, and a generous sprinkle of hemp seeds for a nutritious and delicious breakfast parfait. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you energized throughout the morning. Blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds for a power-packed smoothie. The addition of hemp seeds adds a creamy texture and a nutty flavor, making your smoothie not just tasty but also incredibly nutritious. Toss your favorite greens, veggies, protein, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for a satisfying and nutrient-rich salad. Hemp seeds add a delightful crunch and a boost of protein, making your salad more filling and nutritious. Blend chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds for a protein-rich and flavorful twist on traditional hummus. This hemp seed hummus is perfect as a dip, spread, or even a salad dressing. Coat chicken breasts in a mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, spices, and hemp seeds for a healthier and more flavorful crust. The hemp seeds add a unique texture and a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the tender chicken. Blend basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, garlic, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds for a delicious and nutritious pesto sauce. This hemp seed pesto can be used as a pasta sauce, a spread for sandwiches, or a dip for veggies. Combine dates, nuts, seeds, and hemp seeds in a food processor, roll into balls, and enjoy a healthy and satisfying snack. These energy balls are perfect for a quick snack on the go, providing a burst of energy and nutrition. Toss hemp seeds with olive oil and your favorite seasonings, spread on a baking sheet, and roast in the oven until golden brown for a crunchy and flavorful snack. These roasted hemp seeds can be enjoyed on their own or added to salads, soups, and other dishes for an extra crunch. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities with hemp seeds are endless, and they can be incorporated into almost any dish to enhance its nutritional value. Feel free to experiment and create your own delicious and nutritious recipes using hemp seeds. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, hemp seeds can inspire you to explore new culinary horizons and make every meal a nutritious delight. A word of caution: potential allergies and interactions. While hemp seeds are generally safe for consumption, it's important to be aware of potential allergies and interactions. Some individuals may be allergic to hemp seeds. If you experience any allergic reactions, such as hives, itching, or difficulty breathing, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. Hemp seeds may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you're taking any medications, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding hemp seeds to your diet. By being cautious and informed, you can enjoy the benefits of hemp seeds safely. This is not medical advice. Seek professional guidance when needed. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Your health is your priority, so always err on the side of caution and seek professional guidance when needed. Spread the seed of knowledge. Share the power of hemp seeds with others. Now that you've unlocked the power of hemp seeds, share this valuable information with your friends, family, and loved ones. Let's spread the seed of knowledge and empower others to make healthier choices. Tell them about the impressive nutritional profile of hemp seeds, the numerous health benefits they offer, and the easy and delicious ways to incorporate them into their diets. Encourage them to explore the world of hemp seeds and experience the positive impact they can have on their well-being. Together, let's create a ripple effect of health and wellness by sharing the power of hemp seeds. Embrace a healthier you. Unlock the power of hemp seeds today. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. In a world often searching for the next big health trend, it's easy to overlook the simple, natural options that have been around for centuries. Hemp seeds stand out as a timeless and versatile superfood. Their impressive nutritional profile includes essential fatty acids, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Coupled with their wide range of health benefits, such as supporting heart health, improving digestion, and enhancing skin radiance, makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone looking to improve their overall well-being, hemp seeds can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to boost your heart health, improve your digestion, enhance your skin's radiance, or simply add a nutritional punch to your meals and snacks, hemp seeds are a delicious and convenient option. They can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or even baked into your favorite treats. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie bowl topped with hemp seeds, or enjoying a healthy snack bar packed with these nutritious seeds. Embrace a healthier you by unlocking the power of hemp seeds today. Feel the difference in your energy levels, skin health, and overall vitality. Add them to your grocery list and start incorporating them into your diet to experience their amazing benefits firsthand. It's a small change that can lead to significant improvements in your health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. By making hemp seeds a regular part of your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier lifestyle. Start incorporating hemp seeds into your diet today and unlock their incredible potential. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you.